Welcome guys. Today we are going to see the question orderly queue on LeetCode hard. Okay, first let us read the question. You are given a string s and an integer k. You can choose one of the first k letters of s and append it to the end of the string. Okay, you can choose one of the first k letters of s and take it. Okay, so let's see the example. CBA and given k is 1. Okay, you have just since k is 1, it just means that you only thing that you are allowed to do is rotate the array. So the best possible excavatably smallest would be ACB in rotation. Okay, when k was 3 for this string, they just sorted it. Okay, so okay, let's see if we have k is equal to 2, what can we do? If k is equal to 2, it means that given first two elements, we can check, uh, we can push one of those two the back, and second one we can do at any point in time. So it means that we have the ability to swap two elements, right? Let's say we have a CB, let's take this example, BACC, BAACA. In this first, we have BA. Okay, for that, what we can do in the first 12 months, take A and keep it in the append it to the same string, and then we'll append B. It means that we are able to swap B and A and keep the rest of the things same. After that, the rest of the elements you can just rotate since K is above 1. It means that if K is more, at least 2, we have the ability to swap any two elements, given we can do any number of this kind of operations. Since they have already mentioned any number of moves can be done, it's okay. Okay, so since we already found that if it is, okay, let's see the constraints. K is in between 1 to 1000. So if K is not equal to 1, then it's simple. We will just sort as, for sorting s dot begin, s dot end, return s. Okay, if k is equal to 1, we have to check for different rotations whether that is the minimum or not. So for that, what will be the answer? Okay, for that, what should we do? Okay, since the size of the string is only 1000, we can compare any pair of strings without any problem, since comparing two of the strings will take 1000 of time, and going through all the strings will take often square is feasible here. We'll just do that only. We'll need two strings. The first string would be directly s, the other will be for using them temporarily. For I is equal to 0, I less than s dot size I plus plus. Okay, for this we have to construct a thus string, right? Okay, we'll use a substring function in s. Here we are starting from ith index and going up to size I minus I. Plus s dot substring will start from 0 and go up to I. Okay. Now we have to compare A and B. When if A is greater than B, then we will do this. Else we just keep on moving. Since we found the answer, it will be A. Now we have to implement this compare function. A string B. Since we are not changing either of these, we can take the reference of these two strings. These two strings should be of the same size, so we need not be worried about how long we are going, at least for this problem. Okay, if AI is less than BI, what will we do? If AI is first character of A and first character of B, let's say first character of A is small, then why are we changing? It should not be done. So we'll return false here. Else if AI is greater than BI, that means B is smaller. So at this case, we have to swap these two elements. We'll return. If for some reason all the elements are matching, then it means that they are the same string. So we'll just return false since we don't want to swap the elements here. Okay, now let's test for example test cases. Okay, we are passing for example test cases, so we'll submit.